Hello guys, good afternoon. We have already checked this 2.5 HP window type Hitachi. The problem of this before was all the lights of control display are blinking. Upon checking and troubleshooting, I found out that the regulator, which is 7805, is shorted. But unluckily, there is a regulator seeder diode between the input and output of the regulator, which is shorted. This causes that the output of 7805 to become 12 volt. Now, the microcontroller of this control display has to be supplied 12 volt. That's why it was damaged. That's why it is now not functioning, the microcontroller and also the digital display. Before it was blinking. Now when I replace the regulator, it become like this without blinking. But there is no oscillation of this crystal oscillator of the microcontroller of this display. Let's see. This is now, there's a light right now, but there's no display because microcontroller and crystal oscillator is not working due to damage of microcontroller. Okay guys, now the technician of this, I advise to buy a new one control display board so that it will work. When they connected the new control display board, it will work. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching this video. Until the next video.